Hey everybody, PeaceJunkee here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my first ever shopping haul video, and as you saw in the title, it is a dollar store fall decor shopping haul. So if you don't already know, Dollar Tree is where it's at, okay? My sister always makes fun of me because I stay at the Dollar Tree, but it's good for many things, but one of my favorite things about the Dollar Tree is their seasonal decor. And I've always been one of those people who likes to decorate for every holiday. Like, I live for Christmas decorations, Halloween, all of that good stuff. So I basically went to the Dollar Tree and picked up some things to decorate my house for fall and Halloween, and that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So I'm super excited, and also kind of like talking to you guys about the materials that I bought for some DIY crafts and projects that I'm going to be blogging about on my blog. So before I get into this video, make sure that you guys subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let me know what you think about what I bought. Leave some comments below about some of your fall decor ideas or other video suggestions. I'm new here, kind of trying to merge together my blog that I just started along with video versions of my tutorials on my blog on this channel. So yeah, my blog is actually down in the description box below. It is called Lean, Green, and Everything in Between. So just make sure that I'll put the link down below, and make sure that you hit up my blog page and subscribe there as well, so you won't miss a blog post when you see me do these shopping hauls. Most likely the tutorial or the DIY on whatever project it is going to be on my blog. So yeah, Instagram, all that good stuff is going to be down below. Now let's get into this haul. So first I'm going to start with this wreath form that I got, and mind you, everything at the Dollar Tree is $1, so you know, I'm not even going to tell y'all the prices because it's all $1. So yeah, so I got this wreath form, and actually what I plan to do with this is to make a fall wreath to put on my front door. So that's that. And then the materials I got to go with the wreath, I got some burlap here. I got some decorative mesh and glitter tulle, and it's like orange and gold and sparkly red. And then I also bought some mesh tulle, and basically I got it in orange and brown. And if you look at the label here, it kind of shows you an example of what you can do with it. So that's kind of the direction that I'm gonna head with my wreath. I've been looking at some ideas on Pinterest of DIY fall wreaths, and kind of plan to just combine 2 or 3 different wreaths that I saw, elements of them that I liked. So I just went through the Dollar Tree and got some cute stuff, and we're gonna see what happens. Let's see. And then I also got some thinner ribbon, like an orange and gold, brown and gold, to incorporate into the wreath, as well as some fake maple leaves. These are really versatile. You could do anything with a hot glue gun, okay? I'll show y'all if you don't believe me. Stay tuned. And then I also got 2 little plastic pumpkins, a gold glittery one and then an orange one. So essentially what I plan to do with the wreath form is to take this brown burlap, and this will be the base, and I'll just kind of wrap the wreath form in the brown burlap, and then use all of the things that I just showed you to kind of have an arrangement or decorate the wreath. And then the final thing that I got for the wreath are flowers. I love these. They're flower selection, the fake flowers. They're fake, of course, y'all. They're plastic. They had so many different colors and different kinds, and I was super overwhelmed when I was there, but this is what I landed on. And the wreath form isn't super big, so I didn't want to overdo it and just get a bunch. So I kind of stuck with flowers that I like in real life, and really cute fall colors, so the reds, the oranges, and a little garnish. So I'll show you each of them individually. These are sunflowers. This, I didn't say, sorry, these are cone flowers. We've got some mums. These are a really pretty color. And then some daisies. Got those. And then I got a little bit of just greenery or garnish. So I got some berries to kind of go to kind of intertwine throughout the flowers. And then finally just a small flower with some greenery type grass stuff. So yes, that is it for the fall decor part, which is essentially going to be my next project, my next craft. Be looking out on my blog for that. And then also, in addition to the fall decor, like I was saying, I got a couple of decorations for Halloween to switch things out. So I want to start off with this little door sign that I got. It says boo. It's super cute. So I'm going to hang this on my front door. And then I also basically have this vision to like decorate my balcony because it overlooks the dog park where in my apartment complex. So a lot of people see it and I want to make it super cute. So I bought creepy cloth, you see here, that I'm gonna like kind of arrange or dangle, kind of how they have it here in this photo, over my balcony, in addition to spider webbing. So got that. This stuff is really fun, super versatile. You can make anything look scary or Halloween-y with the spider webbing. So I got this. So my plan is to put this on the balcony and then string some lights. But all the lights at the Dollar Tree were for indoor use only, and I figured they had that there for a reason. So I'm gonna probably just go look at Walmart or Target or something for some lights. So I have that for the balcony. And then also I bought these fake rings. They're like spiders and bats and stuff like that. They're plastic, that I'm going to put into the spider webbing to, you know, jazz it up a little bit with the lights. So that's these. And then I got some little, I don't know what these are called, like fixtures or something, but I got a little pumpkin one. They're like kind of shimmery. It's really cute. And I got a ghost and a spider. So these actually like stand up. So I was just gonna put these on my TV stand, like on my entertainment cabinet in my living room, to make my living room a little Halloween-y. So that's pretty much what I bought for the house for Halloween. Also, my nephew's birthday is Halloween. Yes, he's a Halloween baby. He turns, not a baby anymore, he turns 11 this year. And so ever since I've been living away from home, one thing I always do for my niece and nephew is mail them a birthday box, like a birthday package. And since he's a Halloween baby, I always make his birthday box like Halloween theme and then put his gift, whatever it is, inside there. So while I was there, you know, the stores, they be starting early. So I was like, you know what, let me get his Halloween stuff now, because I feel like if I go back to the Dollar Tree in like 2 or 3 weeks, the Christmas stuff's gonna be out and I'll be upset. So yes, so I'll show y'all what I picked up just to start the decor for his birthday box. So I got some jack-o'-lantern garland to outline his birthday box, his package with, to put like around the edges. And then I bought him some Halloween pencils to share with his friends. I just thought these were kind of fun. And then I bought this treat box that's like the shape of a coffin, and it says Happy Halloween on it. And when you open it, there's a skeleton inside. I thought he's gonna love this. So I got this treat box, and then I bought these bubblegum eyeballs to put inside of it as a little like treat. And then, sorry y'all, kind of far away, but then I just bought him some candy. Twix are his favorite. And then these pumpkin spice cups, because I was mostly intrigued about these. But yeah, so I got this to throw in his box. So his birthday box is also going to be a DIY tutorial on my blog as well, so be on the lookout for that. I haven't decided quite yet like the actual item I'm getting him for his birthday, but I always like to just make the boxes fun and snazzy, because who doesn't like to get cool packages, you know, in the mail. So yes, that is it for this video. Make sure you guys thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. Let me know down in the comments what you thought, what you liked, suggestions you have. And don't forget to check out Lean Green and Everything in Between. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.